What the hell? There's something under the ship.
You! Get out of here!
Mothership, we are already 3000 meters below the surface and diving at the speed of 4.5.
The sea conditions are good. You may continue diving. Captain Puhe, this is the Submersible Adventurer's 35th voyage to explore sulfides in the hydrothermal area. Although it's a familiar trip, you should still watch out for hydrothermal spouting reactions on the seafloor. 3 months ago, signals of a hydrothermal eruptions were detected at Lonki hydrothermal area. By the way, how's Austin doing?
Oh, him. He's carefree.
I have been doing this for 10 years. Worked for 15 energy companies. I am the last person you need to worry about. If you really want to worry about something, then worry about that girl. It's her first rodeo.
She has been training for 6 months to work in this hydrothermal area. She can do it.
पहले किया नॉक्टिलू का?
Just hot and sour rice noodles.
A whale shark.
Huh? They really eat everything.
Jellyfish will release nematocysts, but big sea turtles, whales, and sharks aren't afraid of them.
Be careful with the resting point. There are undersea waterfalls around the hydrothermal area. Good luck.
We are approaching the hydrothermal area.
But I can't see anything.
Look down.
The deep sea black smokers.
Welcome to the another world.
We already arrived at our destination. Prepare to land on the seabed.
The video signals are cut off. We can communicate only through our radios. Be careful with the hydrothermal liquid. Don't get burned.
Copy.
Start collecting.
What's the point of these rocks anyway?
They are rare metallic compounds that can be used after a bit decomposition. This place is treasure.
It's the last unexploited area on Earth. Let's do a scan.
Alcohol would only make you dehydrate faster.
Have you ever been tested for stress syndrome?
I have 10 years of submersible experience.
Muscle twitching and vision disorders. Abnormal EEG. 1 out of every 20 people would show the symptoms.
Mind your own business. That's enough.
It is stated in the company's contract. If you keep doing that, I will report you.
Go ahead. Report me now.
TMI?
This is not normal.
Oh no.
Hold on tight.
क्या हुआ?
It's a hydrothermal gas flush.
Adventurer, calling the adventurer.
We encountered a hydrothermal gas.
Return immediately. Adventurer, return immediately.
An undersea waterfall.
Hold on tight.
Send out. Rescue signals now.
Sounds like he's swimming in the ocean.
You think everything is related to ocean?
They both are the sources of life.
I'm feeling hungry. Please bring apple.
Hello? Sure, I'll be right there.
There is a mission.
Baby, look at that. Yes, yes, say hello. It's beautiful, right? We'll come here again. So cute. Just look at that.
Come on! Dig it!
Yes! Do it!
Yeah!
Very good! Go, Steve!
Okay,
Go,
Try it again! Yes! That's nice!
Come on, great! I know you're gonna win! Yes,
Better.
You got it, Tom! You got it! Woo! You can do it!
Watch out!
You did it! Awesome!
Excellent!
We lost contact with a submersible from Linan New Energy in the Manila Trench region. Its last signal intercepted at the hydrothermal area was at 15 degrees 7 minutes north and 117 degrees 15.5 minutes east at a depth of 3,320 meters. The mothership of Adventurer sent out a rescue signal an hour ago. Explorer 3, King Long, immediately head for the location of the accident.
Lanji? Lanji! Are you alright?
I'm okay.
Our propeller is stuck in the cable.
What?
Adventurer calling mothership. Please answer. Adventurer calling mothership. Please answer.
The cut is very deep. We have to do something.
Stop touching it. There are professional doctors on the mothership.
We lost contact with the mothership.
What should we do now?
Wait for the rescue.
You gotta get this goddamn coffin moving. Got it?
Our propeller is stuck in the cable and the trench is blocking all the signals. We have to keep ourselves alive till we are rescued.
Hold him now.
Don't touch me!
Lanji! Are you okay?
Be quiet. They were trying to help you. If you dare to hit a woman again, I'll toss you out and feed you to the fish.
The good news is we still have both food and water.
What's the bad news?
The oxygen can last only for 6 hours. 2 conversion tanks can produce about 22 hours worth of oxygen, which adds up to a total of 28 hours. If we shut off unnecessary devices and the heating system, we can save up on oxygen and battery power.
The water out there is only 4 degrees Celsius. If you turn off the heating system, none of us will survive.
Not 4 degree, it is 0 degree. We are 1,000 meters below the ocean surface.
You can use mine.
What's the point if we don't have enough oxygen?
You have to talk less. Exhaling will emit carbon dioxide. If the oxygen level drops below 10%, we will lose consciousness. That's a type of death loop.
Use this wrench to knock on the cabin wall 3 times per circle and once every 5 minutes. We will do it one by one, every 2 hours.
What's the point of that?
To let the rescue submarines find us through sonar and let them know that we are alive.
This was the last location of the adventurer. Amidst the entire hydrothermal area, we received a message from their mothership that they have discovered a light movement during their exploration. Submersible was hit by hydrothermal gas.
Deep sea hydrothermal vents, commonly known as black smokers, will spray out hydrothermal gas between 60 and 350 degrees.
Since they already know about hydrothermal gas, then why those people took that risk?
High intensity eruptions are very rare.
How long it will take to reach the destination?
If we go at top speed, we will arrive by 9 am tomorrow. I'm cold. I breathe, but I can't get enough oxygen.
No. Can't open until it is 20%.
But I'm breathing, and each breath I take is not taking enough oxygen.
His immunity is decreasing. If he gets carbon dioxide poisoning, then he'll be prone to stress syndrome, which will lead to a breakdown.
You have less calories. Please eat this. You will feel better. Who will come to rescue us?
The closest ship to us is King Long from China. But no matter what, we can't give up like this on ourselves.
We discovered the mothership of Adventurer about 3 nautical miles away at 15 degrees starboard. Port 5,
Port 5 set.
half ahead,
Half ahead set.
course 027.
Course 027 set.
They arrived.
Is everything okay?
They have been submerged for more than 10 hours.
Be careful.
You don't worry. Wait for me at home.
Remember, 2 of us are waiting for you.
Malo, we are looking forward to your victory.
Copy that. Lock down the coordinates.
Got it. Hold on tight.
That's the last tank.
Carbon dioxide poisoning. It's not our biggest enemy. It's losing consciousness instead. This is our last hope.
I never thought oxygen would be so precious. If we are rescued, I will cherish every breath.
Explorer 3, Quing Long is already 1000 below the surface, with a diving speed of 4.
Copy. Keep in touch.
Copy.
What are you doing now?
This is my arsenal.
Arsenal? Are you treating a submarine as a combative robot?
Mechanical arms can be changed into various type of tools. This is a cutler. This blade is made out of synthetic metal. It can cut the strongest reefs, like cutting tofu. And this is so incredible. This is called a detector bullet. It has been designed to collect samples from the seabed, piercing through a dozen meters below.
Oh, really? Have you tested it before?
I have tested them all, but I've never used them in the deep sea.
You're just an armchair strategist.
I really don't understand why boss let you come this time. This is a few thousand meters under the sea. You are just a diver. This is not an aquarium. If you go there, you'll be pressed into a piece of paper.
I wonder why boss let you come here. You should go home and play games on your couch.
Those are not jokes.
What are they then?
Whatever.
That's enough of you two. Get to work.
It's been a long while.
What is it? King Long, there are frequent thermal activities under the sea. There is a possibility of vents explosion.
Got it. I'll hover at least 10 meters away.
Why is it that we don't see any single fish over here?
They can predict danger.
Read the coordinates.
15 degree 7 north, 117 degree 56 minute 2 second east. These were the last coordinates.
Guo, it's up to you now.
It's finally my time to shine. Come on, guys. Just watch what I do.
What the hell is that?
Open your eyes and see carefully.
You're operating all simultaneously?
They are all searching automatically.
What's the remote operating distance?
500 meters.
Expand the search area.
But sir, max range is 800 meters. It might get out of control.
Can they send the video feed?
I think so.
Set on the maximum range. Hurry up.
But sir,
Fast!
we lost one.
Replay the video.
An undersea waterfall?
This is not possible. We are only 600 meters away from where the adventurers are located.
Stop the propellers. Start the elimination process. Eliminate acoustic interference. Use the sonar.
If we do this, who will guarantee our safety?
You're such a coward.
We already dived 3,500 meters. Why do you care about 10 meters?
There is a signal.
It's a distress signal. 3 continuous beeps. Go back to your seat. Put on the seatbelt.
What's wrong?
The seabed is shaking.
Just control your breath and stay calm. They all should be down there. King Long calling mothership. King Long calling mothership.
Copy. Go ahead.
I remember there's a gap in the waterfall. The coordinates are 15 degree to north, 116 degree to east.
Coordinates are 15 degree towards north, 116 degree towards east.
I want to explore down the trench.
That gap is too narrow. It's a natural shaft. And that waterfall is a black zone. We might very likely lose contact.
I suspect the adventurer is down there.
It's too dangerous.
We can't leave any opportunity.
Suppose if there are only a few hours left in your life, what would you want to do the most?
Call my parents and thanks them for everything they have done for me. What about you?
I would want to have a bowl of hand-pulled noodles and have a glass of cold beer.
Cold beer. My mom said drinking cold beer will be bad for your stomach. You'll burp.
Turn on obstacle detection.
There's a blind spot in 0.2. On the right, another blind spot.
Monster.
Come to your senses! Come to your senses! You're hallucinating!
Austin, there is nothing outside. It's just your hallucination.
Monster.
We finally found it.
The adventurer.
It's the King Long.
We are saved.
We are saved.
King Long calling. King Long calling. King Long calling.
His oxygen levels are very low. It's very dangerous.
King Long calling. 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 King Long calling.
This is Qing Long speaking. We have reached.
Thank you. This is the adventurer. Our propeller is stuck in a sunken ship.
What is your current oxygen level?
Oxygen level is 14%. Also, one of our crew members is injured.
Alright, let's take care of the propeller problem first.
Okay. Okay.
Propellers aren't severely damaged, so now I'm gonna cut the ropes.
Okay.
Get prepared.
Just wait and see.
Xiaoyu, you will supervise him.
Best of luck.
Dive down 35 meters.
Dive down 35 meters.
Ascend now. There are ropes underneath.
There are many ropes under them.
I can see that. I'm figuring out something.
Our battery will last for 3 hours. We might not have time to resurface.
Why don't we just cut them all?
The bruised ropes will be caught in the propellers, and we don't have much time.
We have to remove those ropes.
Adventurer, we must do this together.
We are ready.
Adjust the angle of the front propellers and let the water push the floating ropes away. Keep that position. We are gonna start.
Done.
The obstacles have been cleared. Do you have enough battery power to resurface?
Probably if we ditch the balancers.
We'll protect you on your return.
See you on the surface. Damn it. I don't know why, but we can't ascend.
Just check the propellers.
There is something under the propeller.
You! Get out of here! I'm gonna destroy you, monster! You! Get out of here! Abort!
Sir!
Use the cutter.
Octopus's brain contains more than 500 million neurons. We cannot fight him.
Oh no. We are in a big trouble this time. It's a monster. We are all gonna die.
Shut up. If they feel danger, they release black inks. It's self-defense.
It's still clutching onto us.
Suction cups have at least 5 tons of suction force. We must sever it.
Use the strobe lights to send our location to King Long.
Calling King Long. This is the adventurer. That monster is attacking us. Can you please cut off its tentacle? I will signal through strobe lights.
Copy that. I have to know its moves.
It has 3 hearts. A life detector can detect low frequency waves coming out of it and we can kill it.
Location discovered. It seems to be 80 meters away. Flash the strobe lights every 5 seconds.
Got it.
Found it! It's moving!
I see the tentacles. Are you ready to ascend? Make it fast.
After we severe it, move immediately to the following coordinates. 15 degree 2 north, 116 degree 12 8 east. You can drive out of the trench there.
Copy that.
The countdown begins. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move!
It's coming up!
Our oxygen level is only 14% now. If you want to survive, you should leave now. Instead of running away like this, I would prefer to die over here.
We are free.
Adventurer, go!
It's still following us.
It's up to you now.
Now just see what I'm going to do. I will teach him a lesson. Just go through that area. I'll cut those rocks over there.
We don't have enough time.
King Long, stall it.
Copy that.
What should we do? We should escape. He's all into us.
The photoreceptor cells are in the front. It is using light to find us.
I finally got it what to do. Hit the lights! Was there enough?
No, we've missed it.
We're running out of battery.
Wait until we get to the gap.
King Long, get behind us. How's it going?
Almost there. This is our last flash.
Grab your chance.
Just watch me. Done. I think it worked.
We forgot water density.
Gravity will be reduced.
Once we are in the deep sea, we will be moving at a uniform speed.
They are absolutely master architects.
Watch it!
Adventurer, head to the shaft now!
We are ascending. You may come in now.
It's coming for us.
We have to stop this.
King Long, do you have detected bullets?
Yes, we have.
The octopus weak spot between his eyes. If you can strike accurately, we'll be able to escape.
It is alive and difficult to aim. I'm not a good sniper.
We might have a chance. Inside that gap.
Yes, it's narrow. Octopus can't pass through it.
Brilliant. Let's do this one more time, baby. Battery has been destroyed.
Get ready. Be ready.
I missed.
Continue.
We are down to last one.
I'll turn off the engine later. When it charges towards us, you will fire at the closest range.
You will turn off the engine?
If I miss, we will be doomed.
If I didn't trust you, I wouldn't bring you 4,000 meters below the surface. You must believe in yourself. Guo. Continue.
Let's fight this battle. King Long.
The engine is turned off now.
What are they planning to do?
Trying to save us. You're awesome!
Adventurer, ascend.
This is Qing Long. We have already found the adventurer.
We are at 3,000 meters below the surface and ascending.
Great, you did very well.
Adventurer, please answer. Adventurer, please answer. Please answer.
Adventurer, please answer. Is everything okay? Please answer. Can you hear us? Can you hear us, Adventurer? Please answer. Adventurer, please answer.
Due to the impact, sound system is ruined.
Do we have enough time?
It will take 2 hours to get into the surface. We don't have enough oxygen.
Damn it. Battery and oxygen are below 10%.
Thank them for me.
Please sync this audio to Quing Long's lighting system.
Life is strong and powerful. Do not give up, my friends.
Electrolyzed water. electrolyzed water can produce oxygen. Use this.
Yes, we did it.
We did it. "47 meters to go."
They ran out of battery.
calling mothership.
Go ahead.
Coordinates 15 degree 2 north, 116 degree 128 east, 47 meters deep. The adventurer completely lost mobility and ran out of oxygen. Please drop tow lines at those coordinates.
Now it's my turn.
Alright, there are hooks on top of the adventurer's cabin. So we can hook up the tow lines directly from it.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Go out and do it manually.
Yes, sir.
Xiaoyu. Remember to see my robot competition later.
Sure.
Get the folding crane ready. Weather has changed. Wind reached grade 5 and the vessel is unstable.
Copy that. Break.
Xiaoyu. Xiaoyu!
Woohoo! It's coming. Ooh. Woohoo! Ah! Yeah! 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 Oh! Ah!
This is really delicious.
Yeah, take it, take it.
This is delicious.
Try this.
It will get cold.
Yeah, it's it.
Pass me some sauce, please.
Take the beer along.
Take the group
right
right
now,
now,
okay?
okay?
Oh, is that
Everyone
it?
together?
Come on.
Let's take a picture.
Let's take a photo.
Yeah.
Come on, just stand over there.
Come on.
What should we say?
Let's say something.
You're fine.
3, 2, 1.
Keep on celebrating.